Hey guys, my name's Jordan and this is how I refresh my wash and go after sleeping. As you can see, my hair is clearly flat. I mean, extremely flat and matted. If you guys want to see how I preserve my wash and goes, I'll link that video down in the description box below. So this is a day 5 wash and go, I believe. The curls are still there. They're a little frizzy, but that's fine because it just adds more volume. Typically, I like to just fluff the ponytails out before I take the hair tie off. As you can see, I like to section my hair off in 5 sections. The bangs is 1 section, and then I have 4 in the back, 2 at the top, and then 2 at the bottom. After I take the hair ties off, I like to shape my hair back to how it was originally. And then you just want to shake. I mean, really shake your head to try to get the curls to come back to life. And y'all just look how flat my head is in the back. Like, that don't make no sense. So now I'm just taking some of the Mielle Organics Curl Refresher Spray. And I'm also going to be using some water out of my mist bottle. So now I'm just gonna lightly mist my hair with some water. That really revives my curls and gives me moisture. Sometimes the water does cause shrinkage, but I personally don't mind. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're misting your hair. So now I'm taking some of the Mielle Organics Curl Refresher Spray. I'm just spraying that all over just as I did with the water. After that, you just want to kind of pick and shake some more till you get your hair back in the shape that you like. Now I'm just going to take a pick and pick my roots so that I'll have more volume. Now I'm going to be taking some of the edge gel from Mielle Organics and just laying my edges down. I think laying your edges down is like the finishing touch on any hairstyle, so it's my favorite part. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.